Hello everyone, I'm Lewian Nugroho. Here, I would like to introduce you about 15 pharmaceutical terms, along with example in sentences. Number 1. Label. Label is FDA required labeling provided with medicines. Provides prescribing information such as approved indication, contraindication, common side effect, and recommended dosing. For example, he read the drug labels before taking them. Number 2. Rebate. Rebate is a post-sale payment or discount that may take various forms in the supply chain for a drug. For example, he gets a discount when buying medicine at Farm Pharmacy. Number 3. Tier. Tier is drugs listed on a formulary are typically separated into groups or tiers. Lower formulary tiers are typically associated with lower out-of-pocket cost for the patient. For example, the first line in the pharmacy contains limited free drugs. Number 4. Best price. Best price is a statutorily defined measure of a minimum price for drug products distributed to the retail class of trade that is used to determine medicine rebates. It measures the lowest price charged by manufacturers, not of discount and rebates, excluding certain nominal transactions and federal programs. Although it is reported by manufacturers to CMS, it is not publicly available. For example, Farm Pharmacy has the best drug price. Number 5. Clinical trial. Clinical trial is testing of an IDN in human subjects. For example, the Sinovac vaccine that has been circulating has passed clinical trials. Number 6. Batch. Batch is a specific quantity of material produced in a process such that is expected to be homogeneous within specific limits. For example, a batch of pharmacy children learning English for pharmacy with Mr. Vicky. Number 7. Chargeback. Chargeback is typically a payment made by a manufacturer to a wholesaler to reimburse an wholesaler for a discount that a manufacturer is contractually obligated to provide to the wholesaler customer. For example, Risa gets a chargeback from the pharmacy for selling expired drugs. Number 8. Compounding. Compounding is practice in which a pharmacist combines, mixes, or alters ingredients of a drug to create a medication. For example, a group of pharmacy children who are doing community service is a compounding of several classes. Number 9. Biologic. Biologic is a drug product produced from a biological organism. These products are often referred to as large molecule drugs because of the complexity of their chemical makeup. For example, the main ingredients of drugs are biological. Number 10. Formulary. Formulary is a list of coverage drugs provided by a pharmacy benefit plan describing the level of coverage for each product and any limit, restriction, or exclusion to the coverage. For example, we are formulary a drug that the doctor asked for. Number 11. Step therapy. Step therapy is a formulary restriction that requires a patient to try and fail on one or more preferred product before a given product will be covered by the pharmacy benefit plan, also known as a fail first or step edit restriction. For example, to get a satisfactory result, we must take proper therapy steps. Number 12. Medicaid. Medicaid is a state or federal system of health insurance for those requiring financial assistance. Each state is responsible for its Medicaid program design, operation, and partial funding within federal guidelines managed by the CMS. For example, some doctors will not accept patients with a healthcare program. Number 13. Generic product. Generic product is a drug marketed under its chemical name. Generic refers to small molecule products approved by the FDA under an ANDA. Example, some of the drugs in that pharmacy is some kind of generic product. Number 14. Coinsurance. A fixed percentage of the cost of prescription drug at the point of sale that a pharmacy benefit plan requires the patient to pay. For example, the patient doesn't have to pay for the hospital because the patient has insurance. Number 15. Copayment. Copayment is a flat payment amount required by a pharmacy benefit plan that the patient is responsible for paying at the pharmacy point of sale when obtaining a prescription. This generally vary by formulary tier. For example, the parents of the student were making a registration payment. Okay, I think that's all for me. I hope this video will help you to understand some common pharmaceutical terms. Thank you.